Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively, step by step. First, thoroughly understand your complete syllabus and the exam pattern. This foundational knowledge is crucial for effective preparation. Next, create a realistic daily and weekly study timetable, ensuring you allocate specific time slots for each subject. Remember to prioritize challenging topics and subjects, dedicating more time to them. A well-structured plan is your first step towards academic success. Now, let's master your learning with effective techniques. Actively engage with your study material through self-quizzing. This significantly boosts understanding. Implement spaced repetition to enhance long-term memory retention, reviewing topics at increasing intervals. Dedicate time to practice solving previous year's question papers, which familiarizes you with the exam format. Always take concise notes and summarize key concepts in your own words for better recall. Optimizing your study time is essential for sustained effort. Try implementing the Pomodoro technique, working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. These short, regular breaks are vital to avoid burnout and maintain focus. Make sure to review your progress weekly, adjusting your study plan as needed to stay on track. Furthermore, prioritize a healthy sleep schedule, aiming for 7 to 8 hours each night for optimal cognitive function. Finally, let's discuss how to sustain your success throughout your study journey. Set achievable small goals. Accomplishing these will significantly boost your motivation. Do not hesitate to seek help from teachers or peers when you encounter difficulties. Collaboration can be very beneficial. Engage in physical activity for at least 30 minutes daily to keep your mind and body healthy. Remember to celebrate your achievements, reinforcing positive study habits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.